So what possibly worked for Devendra Fadnavis? Was it really that easy right now for him, and how and why? Now, this was the Bharatiya Janata Party's best ever performance in the past few years. This with regard to at least 132 in a 288 assembly. That's just BJP. So clearly they had a massive mandate that helped Fadnavis pave way to return to the Chief Minister's chair. So that clearly, remember, the focus was the big collapse of then the Uddhav Sena. Now, Uddhav Thackeray Sena, though have a stronghold, have used Bala Saheb Thakeray's name, but this time didn't really work. In fact, it was Eknath Shinde who, with Devendra Fadnavis, kept a united forum. Now, Congress became the weak link in the alliance yet again as the Maha Vikas Aghadi. They couldn't really push through, and that's what perhaps where the Mahayuti primarily jumped in. Let's take a look at other mentions also that have come in. For Devendra Fadnavis also, he clearly realized what was unfolding within the Maha Vikas Aghadi. And the general election narrative of Samvidhan didn't really work. Listen in now to what Devendra Fadnavis has said and the reactions that have come in ever since, because it was BJP's victory and then Fadnavis' experience that we see him today return to Chief Minister's chair.
विधिमंडळ गटाचा नेता म्हणून माझी निवड केली आणि ही निवड प्रक्रिया करण्याकरता या ठिकाणी आलेले माननीय रुपाणीजी आणि माननीय निर्मला सीतारामनजी यांचे देखील अतिशय मनापासून मी आभार मानतो. या निवडणुकीचं विश्लेषण करायचं झालं तर मी असं म्हणेन की या निवडणुकीने एक गोष्ट आपल्या समोर निश्चितपणे ठेवली आहे, ती म्हणजे एक है तो सेफ है आणि मोदी है तो मुमकिन है. आपल्याला कल्पना आहे की 2019 साली देखील जनतेचा कौल आपल्याला मिळाला होता. दुर्दैवाने जनतेचा जो कौल होता तो हिसकावून घेण्यात आला आणि जनतेसोबत एक प्रकारे बेईमानी त्या काळामध्ये झाली. मी काय त्या इतिहासामध्ये जाऊ इच्छित नाही, एक नवीन सुरुवात आपण करतोय, पण या गोष्टीचा निश्चित उल्लेख करेन की सुरुवातीच्या 2.5 वर्षामध्ये ज्या प्रकारे वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीनं आपल्याला त्रास देण्यात आला,